Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are looking at the Enya Nova Go guitar. This is a half-size travel guitar and it comes in several color options, but of course, I chose the purple one for this video. There are several really unique features about this instrument that have me raving about it. For one, it's molded out of one piece, which means that the bridge is one part or is one with the rest of the instrument. This is a carbon fiber and polycarbonate made material. So this is going to withstand you going out to the desert or going out to the beach or hiking a mountain and playing in the snow. It's not going to be susceptible to the elements because of that material that it's made of. Enya has installed truss rod if you would like to change the action of the instrument, but I'm gonna say that the action is already at a really nice location, so you wouldn't need to set it up, but in case you wanted the option, they have included the tool for you to change that. Something else that's really unique about this guitar is that it comes with a 0 fret. The 0 fret makes for smoother tuning, and speaking of the frets, they're all rounded. So as you glide your hands through the neck, it's not going to be something painful and it's not going to catch on your hands. With this instrument, we have fret markers on the side, and we also have some strap buttons, and I'll show you how unique the strap that comes with this instrument is in a second. When you open up the box, you see a black case. This case was made for the guitar, so it's going to fit like a glove. And let's look at this back strap, because this doubles as a strap for the case and for the instrument. Overall, I'd say that I really like the case because it is very lightweight. If you're someone who likes a case with maybe more pockets and accessories, maybe it's not for you. But I'm someone who I carry all of my accessories separately, so I'd rather have a case that is very sleek, very tight. So now let's get a playing demonstration. Something that I really enjoy about instruments that are made of this material is that I don't have to worry about it getting dehydrated, about having the frets sprout, about the change in weather, because I live somewhere where it gets up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, but then we use the AC and drop it down to 70. Like, that's a really wide range if I want to just step out with my instrument. And you have to be careful when it's a wooden instrument or something that requires more care. So it's really nice to have this option to travel with. This is a travel size guitar, which I like as well because it's compact, easy to take anywhere. If you have any questions about this instrument, let me know in the comments below. And if you have a song request, something that you want me to teach you, also let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless. Today's audio has been edited by Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan. And if you'd like to see another video, I have one here for you.